Wisecars Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Wisecars and relevant resources are in the description. Wisecars is an online car rental aggregator designed to help travelers find affordable rental options worldwide. By partnering with major rental brands like Hertz, Avis, Budget, and smaller local providers, Wisecars allows users to compare prices, rental terms, and vehicle availability in one place. This platform is ideal for budget-conscious travelers looking for a seamless booking experience with competitive pricing. The booking process is simple. Enter your location, rental dates, and vehicle preferences, and Wisecars generates a list of available options. The results display clear pricing, provider details, fuel policies, mileage limits, and deposit requirements. One standout feature is the ability to filter results based on price, car type, and specific rental policies, helping users find the best deal for their needs. Wisecars is particularly known for offering prepaid rental options, often at lower prices than direct bookings with rental companies. One of Wisecars' advantages is its transparent pricing. The platform breaks down costs so you know exactly what you're paying for, including taxes and insurance. Many bookings come with free cancellation, providing flexibility for travel plans. However, because Wisecars acts as a third-party intermediary, customer service experiences can vary depending on the rental provider. It's essential to carefully review rental terms, cancellation policies, and provider ratings before finalizing a booking. Another key feature is Wisecars' dedicated customer support, which assists with booking modifications and issues. However, since it's not a direct rental provider, resolution of disputes like deposit refunds or last-minute cancellations depends on the rental company's policies. That said, Wisecars remains a solid choice for travelers seeking affordable car rentals while avoiding the hassle of searching multiple providers individually. Overall, Wisecars is a reliable and cost-effective platform for booking rental cars, offering a streamlined experience with a wide range of vehicle options and transparent pricing. If you're looking for an easy way to compare rental rates and secure the best deal, Wisecars is worth considering. Check the links in the description for the latest offers and availability.